Hi friends, we're in the Unit 2, Day 5. This one's talking about the toolbox function. We're jumping the example where we're using this graph and then applying this transformation here. So I pulled this particular set of kind of reflections using the transformations of the parent functions that we did previously. Just note that it doesn't actually kind of tell you where each of them are, but it does kind of give you an indication with using this as a point of reference. So here's my kind of basics, and here I said f of opposite x. Well, opposite x, now I know that if it's inside that parentheses and we're taking the opposite of x there, that tells me it's going to be a reflection across the y-axis. That plus 2 means it's going to shift left 2, and then shift up 1 is from then this part that's outside the parentheses. So here what we have this relationship, this function actually, and so we're going to apply these transformations to get to our new value. So opposite of x, opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. That takes me here. Shifting left 2, 1, 2, and then shifting up 1 gives me this point value here. So from negative 4, 0, that's going to take me to 2, 1. Takes me to there. So then the next value at negative 2, shift that. That reflects across the y-axis. Shift left 2, and then up 1 is going to take me here to... This is going to be 0, negative 1. My pen here is dying out on me. And then 0, 0, reflecting across the y-axis takes it nowhere. It stays here. And then shifting left 2 and then up 1 is going to be at negative 2, 1. And then 2, 2, reflect that across the y-axis, goes over here, shifting left 2. So that's going to be negative 4 and then 3. Negative 4, 3. And then 4, 0, reflecting across the y-axis, shift left 2, and then up 1, shifting up 1, takes me here, and that's going to be at negative 6, positive 1. Now, if I connect these, it makes a very similar shape to this, except it's just transformed, and that's logically what's going on here. If you think about what's happening at each of these points, they're each going through a series of transformations to get to their new coordinate or their new value. So that looks like it's reflected across the y-axis, shifted to the left, and then up 1. There's example 1. So we're going to talk about graphing each of these, then using the parent functions of the indicated transformations in our next video.